XrsBeautyHair, your natural hair.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing fabulous today. So guys, today I'll be doing a wig review from XrsBeautyHair. They sent me over their water wave in 20 inches, guys. It's 200% density, and this is their 13x6 lace frontal wig. So this is what the unit is looking like. These are the curls, and I'll just give you a preview of the hairline. All the details for this hair will be in the video description, so go ahead and check that out if you're interested. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, okay? Now, there are two main features of this hair, this unit, that I want to talk to you guys about. The lace on this features their new clear lace, guys. Now you get some clips to secure your wig, and they also pre-install these hooks so you can attach a band which comes in your package to further secure your lace. Now let's talk about the lace some more. I have three strips of laces here. I have the transparent lace, the brown lace, and the new clear lace. I use some Got To Be freezing spray on my hand so I can show you a comparison, guys, and just look at the difference. The clear lace has literally disappeared on my arm. It is totally undetectable, and this is the same way it will look on your head. So look at this. You can't even tell that the new clear lace is on my hand. And this is the same way it will look on your head once you install and melt the lace. Now, let me go ahead and put the wig on my head so you can see it, how it actually fits. It fits perfectly, guys, and let's talk some more about the construction of the wig. Apart from the new clear lace, which of course is the obvious winner, the lace of all laces, they also feature a clean hairline on the wig. Let me zoom you up, you get all in my business. Now look at this hairline, guys. With the clean hairline, it's much more natural than like a regular pre-plucked hairline. It is customized down to the T, so it looks very, very natural and will melt into your skin perfectly. So definitely love how hard XrsBeauty has been working to get us the wigs that they know we love, and also it is beginner friendly. The unit is a 13x6 lace frontal. What that means, you have a lot of parting space. As you can see, it goes all the way back. You can part it to the left, to the right, do a center part, whatever you choose. You can play around with it. What I'm doing now is I'm trying to accomplish a flatter base, like for the top of the unit to be flat. So I use my wax stick, then I go in with my hot comb and comb that through. That just makes your unit that much more flat, guys. Even though it's a curly unit, look at the difference right here. It just lays nicely and flat. So this is what the hairline is looking like, and I'm now ready to go ahead and secure the lace. I'm just using my lace spray all along the hairline, and then I'm going to use the blow dryer and blow that down to get it a bit tacky, and then I'll tie it down to further melt the lace into my skin. But guys, let's talk about XrsBeauty, the company, and my experience working with them. So all the units I've received, all the units I've been working on have been just impeccable, perfect. I cannot find one area that I'd say, I'm not too sure. They have like checked all the boxes. The units are always well made. The lace is always impeccable. The quality of the hair is always top notch. So I would say Chris Beauty is one of the top companies that I would always recommend their units. Now, let's get right back into the installation process. I'm now working on the hair. I'm just adding in some oil to it to moisturize the unit. You can use whichever oil of your choice. That's fine. And I'm just going to be adding some water all over into the unit, just getting it nice and wet because it is a water wave here after all, right? So now I'm going to use some mousse to define the curls a bit more. The water pronounce the curls, it enhance the curls, it moisturize the curls. Now the mousse is going in to define these curls some more. And then I'm going to comb it through and twist the hair in sections. I think I did about 5 twists into the hair. I do this so that it can dry down a bit, and I'll just go ahead and cut the lace off the unit. So kind of finally, guys, I'm just going back in with my hairspray, putting some on the edges where I cut the lace, and then I'll be using my concealer and define that part some more just to get it a bit more pronounced. And that's basically it for the install, guys. I'll go right ahead and unravel these twists and see what the curls are given. Let's get right into the final look. So this is how the hair is looking. It's definitely giving. I love the 20 inches. I love where it stops. It just looks very cute. The curls are very bouncy, very hydrated. I kind of let them dry down a bit, so I love it whether it's dry down or a bit wet, whichever. It's still a vibe, guys. Thank you so much, Chris Beauty, for sending over this unit. All the details, the link will be in the description. Remember, leave a thumbs up on the video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.